Alright guys, let's talk quickly about Kadena here. Kadena's had a really rough time. I mean, you can see it's almost hit the bottom of the Fibonacci once again. And today it's getting quite a rise. It is breaking, an area that we've been under for at least, well, about 11 days or so. The next real resistance, though, is probably going to be up here at about 68 cents, let's say. And after that, you have resistance about 87.5 cents. And those are both daily resistances, but the first weekly resistance will be up here at about $1.14. Now, let me see if there's some trend here that we need to kind of break. Now, okay, let's go back. Yeah, Kadena was doing quite well, and yeah, we've just dropped like a rock, basically. Let's see, if I would do something like this, yeah, you can see we broke out basically a few days ago from this trend. Now, let me just, I don't want to put that trend line there. Now, let me play with this trend line just a little bit. I maybe could go back and do something like this. And let's see. Yeah, let's put it right. Let's put it right here. Yeah, we can just say we broke out pretty much a few days ago, and now it looks like Kadena is going to get this, run to the upside a little bit. So Bitcoin, on the other hand, let's take a look. As I said, guys, a couple days ago, it had to basically break this trend line, or it's got to break into this Fibonacci. I told you that my idea was that it's going to break to the upside. And you can see, guys, it went up to this resistance here at 60.2, 60.3 basically. And it's gotten rejected so far. Now, keep in mind, this is a daily resistance. And I'm looking at this on the daily time frame. So we need to put this, or get this candle pretty much over this line and close it. And it would be great if we got a weekly candle, which would close tonight above 61.3, but that's probably not going to happen. Now, I have closed my trade, as I said in a video yesterday, maybe, and I think I said it yesterday. And you can see here, I'm looking to open a trade around 57.5. Now, there's a gap, I think, from 57.7. So somewhere around here is where we left off on Friday, Saturday actually, when Bitcoin entered Saturday, basically at 57.7. That's where the CME gap starts. So we could, potentially Monday or Tuesday get a wick down, or maybe we fall steadily through the day and we finally close this gap. But we'll see, guys. I could be wrong. The gap may not ever fill. We never know. Now, the calendar, basically, tomorrow is pretty much empty. You do have some Chinese numbers, but basically only there's an FOMC member daily, and you have the Fed Chair Powell speaking. I don't know how much that'll affect the markets, though. Tuesday, though, not much going on. You do have some export imports, core retail sales on Tuesday, but yeah, that's kind of big, but not huge, I can say. Wednesday, there's really just, like Great Britain has their CPI and PPI and things like this. European Union does come out with some CPI numbers. And okay, we do have like building permits and housing starts, but that's not, I don't think, very big for Bitcoin. We do have the Fed Waller speaking, a little bit of manufacturing numbers. It's kind of small data, we can say. Thursday, basically, not too much. Now, we do have some Philadelphia Fed manufacturing numbers and, Philly numbers. It's kind of like, sorry, it's kind of like Michigan numbers. Yeah, but we do have some, jobless claims. Now let me go to Friday. Basically, it's kind kind of a dead day on Friday. You know, there's not really anything on Friday. Maybe Japanese CPI, but that's about it. And of course, you do have daily speaking again. But yeah, I don't. And okay, Bowman is speaking. You can see here. So a couple of speakers, I guess, maybe in Bostic and Williams. Okay, so more like 4 or 5 speakers probably. But you know, next week is just, it's kind of small data, really. It's not very big economically, I would say. But anyways, yeah, this is what, you know, Kadena looks like. Looks like it retested this trend line. If this trend line is correct, then it retested it a couple days ago, got the bounce. Now it's working its way up to this daily resistance. We'll see, guys. And like I said, Bitcoin getting rejected here, but did break out from this trend and did keep this Fibonacci level that we're in right now. So let's see if we can hold it. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.